This is the second of 3 videos on working without paper in an accounting practice. The purpose of this video is to give you some tips on working with Adobe Acrobat Pro to help your transition to paperless processing. Adobe Acrobat Pro is the industry leader in managing documents, and over the years has developed into a system that is capable of mimicking all of the usual things you do with paper, such as sorting, annotating, ticking, highlighting, bookmarking, and much more. If you want to go paperless, you must have a PDF editor. The version being demonstrated here is Adobe Acrobat Pro, which is available for a modest monthly subscription. Some, but not all of the procedures to follow are available in Adobe Acrobat Reader, the free version. Let's jump straight into Adobe. The first step in setting up your working paper file with client and other records is to open all of those files only in Adobe Acrobat Pro. On my screen there are only 2 files open, but in a typical case there will be multiple PDFs open. Select Combine Files from the right-hand side menu. Select Add Open Files at the next screen. Then select Add Files. And at this last screen you will have the opportunity to remove any files not needed. Click Combine Files and a single PDF will be created with all of the documents just opened. Save that file to your system. As you work your way through a job, you will create or receive additional documents which need to be added to your working paper file. To add additional pages, select Organise Pages from the right-hand side menu. Select Insert from File from the Organise Pages menu. Select the relevant file and click Open. Select the position to insert the file to your current document and click OK. After the file has been inserted, you will have the opportunity to rotate the document in either direction. Drag the inserted file to a different position in your document. Delete the inserted file. Or go on to insert another file. When finished, click Close. Inevitably, there will be pages in your Adobe file that are no longer needed and have to be deleted. To do that, select Organise Pages from the right-hand side menu. Select the page to be deleted and click the Delete button on the top menu. Or hover over the document and select the Delete button from the pop-up menu. Click Close when finished. As you build your document file, there also may be a need to change the order of some of your pages. To do that, select Organise Pages from the right-hand side menu and drag the page to be sorted into its new position and click Close. Adding bookmarks is an excellent way of making navigation in your document much easier and is therefore a time saver. To add a bookmark, expand the far left-hand side menu if not showing. Click on the bookmark icon to display the bookmark bar. Select the page in your document for which you are adding a bookmark and either click on the plus sign and type the bookmark name, or select any text on that page, click on the plus sign, and that text will be copied to the bookmark name. To delete a bookmark, select it and click on the delete symbol on the bookmark toolbar as designated by the red arrow. To reorder the bookmark list, simply drag a bookmark into a new position. Bookmarks can also be made subheadings of the main page. To do this, drag down until the indent marker comes across the page and drop it in place. Adobe enables you to mimic the use of paper by adding ticks or crosses to your documents. To add a tick or cross, select the comment icon on the far right hand side menu. Select the stamp icon on the comment toolbar and choose either a tick or cross and place on your document. To delete these images, right click and choose delete. The visible stamps on this screen have actually been added to favourites. Refer to the reference file attached to this video to see how to add these stamps to your favourites. You can add comments and annotations to your documents as you would do on paper records. To add a comment, select the comment icon on the far right hand side menu. Select the various options from the comments toolbar and click on the document where you want to place that comment or annotation. There are several styles for comments, such as plain text, text in a box, highlighted text, an oval shape around some text, and an arrow. Play with the different menu options here and choose those tools or shapes or comments that suit your needs. And finally, as you work your way through a job, you may have a need to add a blank page, for example, to add comments or notes which will not fit on a particular page or which are not related to any page. Or you might want to add an image to your file from the clipboard, or even content from a web page, for example from the ATO website on a technical issue related to the job. To add this type of content, select Organise Pages from the right hand side menu. From the Insert menu, select, in this case, I will insert a blank page, but you also have the option of inserting from the clipboard or from a web page. Select the position to insert the blank page, and in this example I will insert it after page 1. And that blank page has been inserted, and you click Close. Use the Excel file that comes with this video to look up the steps involved in all of the tips demonstrated here today. Our next and last video on working without paper in an accounting practice is tips on using Excel.